Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. It's the holiday week now and Harbor Freight's doing it for us. The Stocking Stuffers Sale. Mark Villi, this is for you. So what am I talking about? Stocking Stuffers Sale. Well, that's what Harbor Freight's calling it, and it's the perfect holiday sale for them to come out with the week before Christmas. It's the 30% off all items under $10. You guys know this is my favorite sale at Harbor Freight post the coupon era. This one really, I think, hits it home. Everybody can take advantage of this one. And it's all items. Anything in the store under $10, anybody can walk in and take advantage of it. There is a coupon that you need to print and bring in or take a picture of it. Go to their website. They accept them on your phone. So you can hit the print button here. Here's the coupon code. Bring it in on your phone. You're good. You can do 5 items a day, Friday, December 17th through Sunday, December 19th. So you can do this all 3 days of this last weekend of holiday shopping. And if you're an Inside Track Club member, you can do it up to $20. Slight difference there. For both sales, it's 5 items per day. The 10% is in-store and online, but 1 item online. You Inside Track Club people, it's only in store. So the $20 and under, it's only in store. I'm not sure why they do that, but they must have their reasons. But this, guys, you know, this is my favorite sale Harbor Freight does for the year. I think it's a great sale. Everybody needs something under $10 or $20 from Harbor Freight. So please go out, take advantage of this sale. Have a great holiday weekend shopping. Be safe out there. If you did like this video, please hit the like button. As always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and have a wonderful holiday. We'll see you.